top measurements. All right. Now there are things to note while taking your measurement. Now take note, if the person has tummy, if the tummy is big, note that you will take two measurements. All right, two chest measurements. We have the tummy measurement and also the chest measurement. All right. So my has flat tummy, so we'll have just one chest measurement. All right. Okay. So now you take your top length first. From the shoulder point here, you take your top length. You ask your client to always look up, not looking at the look up here. You take your top length measurement where you want it to get to. Normally should be below your trouser zipper, so should in case your zipper to spoil on the way, your top will cover you to go to wherever you want to go to. You go to wherever you want to go to and then back to fix it. All right. And from here now, you take your top length, or either a long top that will get to the knee or below the knee. Okay. Now you take your shoulder measurements. You observe the shoulder bone here. This bone here, that is where the measurement starts from. All right. So you touch it, and then you pass it through. From this point now, you pass it through to this other side. What we have here now is 18. All right, 18 is the shoulder. Now do not remove your hand from this point. Now bring the other tape head. Now start from that point now to get your sleeve measurement. All right, the short sleeve is before the elbow or at the arm, depending on where the person wants it. At the arm, at the elbow, the quarter sleeve or long sleeve. All right. Now having done that, you take your round sleeve measurements. The arm measurement first. The arm measurement, how the person wants it. Is it fitted or a little bit loose? Or he wants big sleeve. All right. The same also to this point. But in all the measurement, if it's a fitting one, make sure that one tip of your finger is inside. All right. Make sure that the tip of your finger is inside for easement. Okay, so that the hand can be easily moved around. All right. So the same here for the wrist measurement. Ask whether it's cufflinks or it's going to be a free hand. If it's a free hand, ask your client to fold his or her hand this way. Fold it this way for easement so that the hand can pass through. You take at the big sides. Here I have 11. 11. Remember, one of the tip of your finger must be inside. I have 11. So if I should sew free hand for him now, it will move. He will wear it comfortably. All right. So that is it for round sleeve. Now the neck measurements. You take the circumference of the neck. You pass it around to this point. It shouldn't be too tight on the client so that it can be buttoned. All right. You slide it through so that there's a little easement there. I have 16 here for his measurement. Okay. Now having done that, now the chest measurements. Okay. Take note of this area. Pass your tape around. Now also how the client wants it. This is fitted for him, 39. Okay. So if he wants it free, I'll expand it, adding how he wants it. How free do you want it? To ask your client and slide your tape through. It shouldn't be hanging at the top, at the waist, at the hip area. Okay. And also any top you see that the top, the tummy side is very, very tight on the client, it's not a good one, because what if after eating or after some meal, everybody's in the shape of your tummy like a pregnant woman, so you wouldn't want that. All right. So like I said, if your client has tummy, you take the tummy measurements, because definitely the tummy now will be bigger than the hip. All right. So that will be your measurement for your client that is with tummy. Okay. So you take your measurement, the round measurement of your client, also like I have this now, then slide it all the way down. All the way down, so I can get he can get the allowance at the hip region. All right, except the top is a hanging top. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.